This is Poco F6, and today I will show all that there is to know about capturing and managing screenshots on this device. At the beginning, let's have a look at all available screenshot taking methods. So before I will start showing you them, let's go into Settings, Additional Settings category, then Gesture Shortcuts, and here make sure to enable Partial Screenshot Gesture and those two options to take a regular screenshot. Now, once all those options are switched on, you can take a screenshot by either pressing volume down and power buttons simultaneously. You can also take a screenshot by going into the control panel, finding and tapping at this tile here, and as you can see the screenshot gets also taken. Another method is to perform a 3-finger down swipe like that, and as you can see also you take a screenshot this way. That in order to take a partial screenshot, you also have to use your 3 fingers as with the 3-finger swipe down gesture, but instead of swiping them downwards, just hold them at the screen. Then select what area you would like to capture, and here is the partial screenshot for you. Now, in order to take a long or a scroll-in screenshot, just take a regular one. Doesn't matter which method you will go with at all. I'll go with, for example, 3-finger down gesture, and here just tap at the scroll button. Now, the screenshot will start scrolling, so tap at the screen where you would like to cut it off and then simply save it. As you could have noticed, once we take a screenshot on this phone, this little miniature appears at the top, which allows you to, as we already figured out, take a scroll shot, send your screenshot or share it right away. You can also tick the delete after sharing option if you want. Or if you'll tap at the screenshot miniature itself, you will begin editing it. Here you can mark it up, crop it, do whatever you see fit with your own screenshot. Now, in order to find all the screenshots you have taken, simply open the Gallery app, then go into Albums, and as you can see, all screenshots are being saved into their separate screenshots and screen recordings folder. And here, for your convenience, you can switch between screenshots and screen recordings to zone both types of media off from one another. And that's how you find all your screenshots. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be more or less it. If you have any questions left, leave them in the comment section below. As for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.